Yeah, we purchased these on Amazon Prime Day, and it's easy enough for her to take out of the box. Yeah, rather than $3.25, we paid $2.60. All right.
Help. Okay.
Okay. Oop.
One more.
Instructions.
And rabbit.
Okay. And all right. Whew. Well, that was a lot of unboxing. So much unboxing and wrapping. It's not damaged at all, and Casey decided that she was tired, so we went to bed, and this morning we are ready to start assembly, right? Okay, let's go. The assembly instructions are really pretty straightforward, and we're actually going to see if Casey can put this thing together for the most part for herself, because I really truly think that it's that easy. All right, let's go. So she's going to slide the upright up over the center cross support, which is really easy, and for a 58-pound child to put that on. And then she's going to take the end cross supports, and she's going to align them on the holes. There you go, the other side, honey. If we can do this, anyone can do this. And it's in the holes, right? Okay. And then we want to go ahead and put the other upright. Oh, wait a minute. I think we're supposed to put the screws in. Yeah, well, go ahead and put that on. Got it? Is that not going on very easily? Oh, there you go. Yeah, and then we want to go ahead and get started with the screws on each side. You got it all lined up? Okay. All right. All the way. You want to get it in as far as you can before you start wrenching it. Is it in all the way? Or screwing? Okay, then you use, no, your wrench starts over near you, and then you flip it over. Yep, put it in there, the Allen wrench. Yep, keep going. I'll make sure and do it tighter. Oh, perfect. Okay, and next, we're gonna do the middle one, and on the other end. Just go really quick with that as soon as you line it up. No. And we added some actually vegetable oil on there so that those would slide in evenly. Okay, you're good. We have to get the mat out. We have a 8x4 2-inch mat, and we have a 3-inch mat as well. So,
I can't do
come on,
anything
it's
with
not
the fan.
safe to do anything until we have. Well, we'll turn the fan off. Come on, get down, honey.
I can't.
Anyway, that's it. So it's really easy. She almost put the whole thing together herself. I've checked the tightness on the connections. We just have to get the matting out and the chalk ball, and we're good to go.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and share.